Okay, happy Friday, everybody. Another super busy week. Just finished prepping this 70-plate blacktop Zetec in blue with a biscuit interior. Absolutely, I love this car. I love the look of that car. If I was going to have one, and I know it's different to everybody, we all like different things, I love that look. 2-litre Duratec, sold, going out next week. We have just finished and taken a deposit on this now, so that is ready to go out as well. So that is it's only done 280 miles, I think, that car. So that's absolutely done and dusted. Honda Mega S2000, one of our customers, Dean, somebody ran into the back of him. You can see there they've damaged all his rear shell on the back. We bought a new one from Westfield. A colour match is absolutely brilliant. And that's all going forward. He's asked us to repair it for the insurance company, and we are doing that for him. So that'll be done soon. No chassis damage on that, so which is fantastic. Have a great weekend, everybody.